In this video, I'm going to show you how to create the hologram effect inside CapCut on PC. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so I'm going to open up CapCut. Then I'm going to click on a new project. And now I'm going to upload two videos. So one's going to be a screen recording and the other one's going to be a guy looking at his mobile phone for this demonstration. So I'm going to click import. I got these off of Pexels, especially this guy here just looking at his phone. Alright, so I've imported both of these videos. Now I'm going to drag the dude with his phone. So if I press play here, now to create a hologram effect, I'm just going to get the other video. And then we'll slide that to my timeline as well. And as you can see, there's that video. And we can play around with the size of that video. So at the moment it's huge. So if I want to put it on the left or right to create that hologram effect, I can by making this small if I like, and put it to the right, put it to the left, just depending. I might leave it top left, probably looks best there. So if I press play here, but at the moment we don't have that hologram effect, so we need to go back and play around with it. And what I'll do while I'm here, I'm going to make this video a little bit longer as well. So I'm going to click on this video, click speed, and now I'm just going to make it a bit longer to about there for this demonstration. Alright, now from here we need to click onto the screen recording here, and then on video, make sure video selected, basic. Under blend, you've got mode here. We want to change that from normal to screen, and then you can see the opacity level, so we can increase or decrease this. So what I'll do, I'll keep it on 100% opacity, and now let's have a look how this looks. So there you go, this is what it looks like at the moment. So yeah, that's just a basic rundown how to create the hologram effect inside CapCut on your PC.